Hello. Welcome to this video. Today I will talk about everything in British Railway 1.3. The first thing we will talk about is the Consist Creator. The Consist Creator is a powerful tool introduced in version 1.3 that allows players to customize and create their own train consists. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern express train or a nostalgic steam locomotive with vintage carriages, the Consist Creator lets you mix and match locomotives and carriages to design your ideal train composition. You can save up to 100 consists to load later. The new trains are the Class 800, Class 801 and 802. Here is a preview of the Class 801. The 802 and 800 are the same. The sound is very realistic to the actual one in real life. I love the detail. I will be on my way to buy this soon. The Class 800, 801 and 802 can change to diesel. Here is a preview of that. Diesel switch is a W. That switch was damn realistic. W's for fourth rail in the comments. The other new trains are the Class 321 Dusty Bin, which is a regional and semi-fast service. The Class 800, 801 and 802 are the semi-fast and intercity services. The Class 321 is an OHLE and BMU, and the Class 800 1802 and 800 is an OHLE, BMU and EMU. There is also the Class 171 Turbostar, which is a regional and semi-fast service, and it is a DMU train. Now let's go on to the stations. Avonhill has been opened, which is incredibly large. It has a lot of platforms. Avonhill is the northeastern terminus of the main line and will serve as the terminus for a future third rail line. In front of the main entrance, there is a bus station, as well as a tram station nearby. The station includes a large concourse and an array of departure boards above the entrances to the platforms. There is also an elevated commercial area featuring various named restaurants. Avonhill consists of 16 platforms, of which 14 are electrified with OHL, 2 are electrified with third rail. There is one unelectrified track used for freight. There are no benches or other decorations on the platforms. At the entrance of the platforms, it's an OFF indicator due to the long and wavy platform, which makes it unable to see the signal at the back of the train. The next one is Union Street. Union Street is a through station that was added to the British Railway network in 1.30. It is managed by Regional and has services to Avonhill, Mill Bridge, Freston Junction and Norrington. This station is both on the main line and the third rail line. Thornfield is situated on a quadruple-track electrified line and has 2 platforms on the outer tracks, as well as a white footbridge with lifts linking the platforms. The station building is modern and has 2 concourses that are separated by glass barriers. The new route is the Avonhill Pack, which used to be the Fleetwood Pack, is now in the game. Though you can still do the Fleetwood route, you can also do Avonhill now. You do not need to rebuy it. Now let's go through the miscellaneous parts of the update. They had updated the Class 170 cab, updated MK3 coach, DVT sounds, driver GUI refreshed, customization options added for driver GUI, revamped physics such as illuminated in-cab dials added to some trains, a realistic OS setting added, and the top bar updated. They had done significant optimization across the game. The signaling system improved to allow multiple trains in one block. Choodle has been added and Maxwell has been moved. Anyway, that is all for this video. I hope you liked it and make sure you subscribe. See you later, my transporters.